It's reconnected. I think I'm back. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm back now, guys. Hopefully. Sorry, this thing, you know, it is what it is. Hopefully, I wonder, hopefully it goes into the same one, because I do not feel like changing this. Should be the same. Hopefully. We'll see. Alright, so like I was saying, you know, overall we're saying downtrend here. We've set up our zones here based on the hour. So what I see GJ doing is possibly filling the weekly wick to the downside, which I think is going to be a downward movement to this. Ghost Sniper, hello, what's good, brother? So I think like what we should do really is realistically is wait, can you help me with MT4 please? Yeah, what's wrong with it? What's going on? Realistically, look, I'd look for a break of the market structure, right? Like probably around this area, right? And then have a sell setup. Put your stops above the previous high, targeting this low down here. And this would be like a swing type of setup. So you can take this setup and then just execute those trade on MT4, then the bottom of the page disappeared where you can see your profits. Oh, that's happened to me before. What you need to do is you need to click on file, oh no, view, click on view, and then click on terminal, and it'll open up. Yeah, I did that once before. All right, so this is a setup for GJ, like kind of my weekly. All week we're gonna be catching trades, sells. At least this is what I feel if we're breaking down below here. So I want to pay attention to around 151.37 to start catching sells, right? That is kind of my analysis here. If we break, I grabbed myself for a second. No problem, bro. Okay, so if we break, you know, I would probably say above here. Man, that's kind of, you know, yeah, no, I'm gonna say above here, just to be safe. If we break above 153.45, then I would be looking for sales. I know this is a big gap here, but it's because we could break above this area and still react to this area, and we could break through here like for a fake out and then pull back into the zone. Imagine I was in a gold trade and news made my 10K account go. That would suck, bro. I mean, it could have also gone in your favor, right? Like if it would have gone in your favor, imagine. Yeah, you don't want to leave Forex trading up to imagination, bro. Just stick to what you know, trade what you see, and stick to your plans. Don't get me wrong, man. Like when I started trading Forex, like I had plenty of lucky trades that I thought made me badass, but you know, the market finds a way to humble you real quick and remind you, you know, who's who. Anyways, here's this setup. I don't know if I want to send out, you know, I'll send it out to whoever's joining here on my YouTube. Like I'll send it out here because I'm not going to send this out as a setup on my Discord, just because it's like I send out the setups on the Discord when it's time to execute. Obviously when it's time to execute this, I'll send it out in the Discord, but you know, overall weekly outlook, I would be looking at this thing, you know, to go to the downside, just based on the move that it's made, right? So that is my weekly outlook on GJ. Let us look at gold. Man, gold's been playing with me like all week last week, and I don't like it. Look at this, like we're sitting here, buys activated, first level, second level, third level hit, and then comes down and just wicks all the way back down, brings it all the way back up. Like, Jesus, make up your mind, gold. Like, what's your problem? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this. You know how we do clean charts. Clean charts, baby. Alright. What do we see here, guys? Weekly. Weekly. All these, the past 1-2 weeks has been like consolidating kind of, and then really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks very low volume. So really, guys, like, and you know, I was really thinking gold was gonna come back and retest this price up here, but the more I'm looking at this, the more I want to sell it. Here's why. First off, we have a lot of USD news coming out this week. It's the end of the month, and for whatever reason, even though everything is like pointing towards the fact that the US dollar is super inflated and the US economy is not as strong as it seems, the US continues to shoot out news contradicting that, saying that it's not, and which continuously pushes the dollar up, which will continue to push gold down. Now, all this low volume candlesticks for the weeks, these past weeks, this could easily just be push down, pull back before the push down again. And if we're completing this pattern here, this pull up is, it's like it matches the pattern, you know what I'm saying? Like this pattern. In the long run, this could be a huge bullish flag. Sit on Discord. What are you talking about? Oh, GJ? Yeah, that looks kind of like the setup I just sent. Oh, you're talking about on the 30-minute? Yeah, you can send me a chart here, bro, if you want me to look at it. Like, but if you don't want me to look at it, like, don't be sending them out because you're gonna confuse people. All right, look. We could come down and test this bottom area before we come back up. This could be a bullish flag. This, there's support here. If this holds, the volume doesn't look that great though. This volume to the upside, okay? And last week closed bearish, and it's also engulfing. So look, this is a doji. So we're pushing up. We got a doji, price exhaustion, indecision. Then we got a bearish engulfing, right? This bearish candle engulfing this one. Now we're starting on a fresh week. Honestly, I think we're gonna come down here and possibly test these areas. If not, break this to test this area. Should be wild, because that hasn't been since March. But that would fit the trend where it's going down and creating lower lows. Obviously, if we start breaking above this area here, 1813, then I think it's gonna go higher. So we'll see. I mean, I really would like it to go higher because I think that it has like a lot of nice potential, clean traffic to the left, but we'll see. So remember, we'll trade what we see. Here's a daily. So what do we see here? See, if we were to run a fib here, literally kiss that. Today, I think overall for the week it's going to be bearish. I don't know about today. I mean, it's Sunday, there's low volume. Like, I think it could break down to the downside. Like, I would want to see it break support first and see what that price looks like. So I think actually gold is going to keep going down. I think this was just bullshit move. See, it's continuing down lower on the 4 hour. Really, I want to pay attention to this area. And probably pay attention to this area. What I want to pay attention to on gold. And I'm not going to trade within it for a long-term setup. I can probably find a intraday trade, you know, on a 30-minute during New York session, because even this, I mean, you're talking about 1790 to, you know, 1835, like that's 400 pip range, you know. So, and this could easily trade from zone to zone here and keep consolidating, because that's really what it's doing. It's consolidating still, even though there's this little pattern within this big pattern. Here's a consolidation zone. It broke out a little bit, came back into it. So, and it looks like it's pushing up from here, which ideally you could probably trade it. Boom. Not really good risk to reward though, unless you put your stops a little tighter, but I wouldn't recommend that because there's all these wicks down here. And just ignore all that price. So maybe this would be worth it if it came down here. Price came down a little bit lower, around 1800, about 50 pips away. Even though I think on the like higher time frame it's going to go down, I still think it's going to pull up medium term before it continues down. Now if it breaks below here, craps out, you know, I would definitely not be buying. You know, so I'm gonna leave this right here, and you know what, I'll send this out, because this is my weekly look at gold. Okay, so gold, EuroCAD, and it looks like EuroCAD kind of just tripping here, going up and down. I think I just looked at this for someone. Delete all that. USD CAD. Look at this. UJ popped up, but it didn't. I mean, we got out of this in profit, but I knew it was going to come up a little higher. put the stops up here. But this is the break. It could be retesting right here. But really, we could be having a nice buy opportunity. There. Actually, might even send this one out. Gotta be some bear or bullish confirmation. I would wait for maybe like a 1 hour pullback. What I want to see is price reach in this area. I mean, it's pretty much there. And I just want to know when it's crossing, because it'll help me. And when it's there, like, we can get in on a buy. Because it should be bullish confirmation, jump in after the confirmation candle closure, and then we can ride it up. Because if the trend is right here going up, we broke the market structure of it coming down. Now we're just retesting it. See if it's going to hold to continue to the upside. Make sense? Send this one out. Cool. That one's out. Remember, these are just weekly analysis where I think price is going to move like for the week. This is not like setups to trade right now, to jump in right now. This is just what I think price is going to do overall for the week, which on this one, I think it's going to retest here before it continues the upside. So we got setups. We're still in EJ. I'm still in EJ. Did that accidentally. I mean, we're in profit, but still in the EJ. So that's why I have it over here. I gave out setups for GJ, gave out setups for gold, I gave out setups for UJ, and GJ looked like, I mean, no, I really, yeah, I would want them down here. You know what? I'm gonna set an alert right here and crossing down. And I want the bar to close, because I will get in that. This one I don't really have an alert, unless, or I can probably put an alert. Price is coming down here. Down. Price. Because you see the little short-term trend, right? It's to the downside. Really, this could be a nice place to sell it right now. Honest. Yeah, we could sell it. Hey, go for it. Not really worth it. I think it short term right here is going to be a sell. I don't want to sell going into this area. I want to see how it reacts going to that area. You know, we can't let FOMO dictate how we trade. Yeah, but overall, I think for the week it'll pop up. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times trying to break it, which ideally is probably making it weaker, but we'll see. And then USD JPY broke up. I think it's gonna retest this area before we keep going up higher. All right. Is there anything else you guys want to look at while I'm here? While you got me? While you got me here? I'll look at AJ. Broke this area, retested it coming down. I think we tried to sell this last week. Probably hitting our stops. It's a nice sell though. Like 84 pips stop. It's not really a good risk to reward. My Instagram's Lord Banks FX, just like my YouTube channel name. And I think I have a link to it in my description. This looks good, but I think we might have missed the entry because the stops are a little high. Oh, we can put our stops here a little tighter. Yeah, I do like this because this was a break. Here's the retest, continuing to fall. It's about a 50 pip stop. And this is ideally you want to go, it's going to go lower, right? I mean, here's where would be my first target area. Well, it'll be second, right? Because the first is going to be 50 pips away, probably around somewhere around here. But this thing should go lower than here. If we look to the left, the next point down here would be down here. Potentially first swing for the week. Damn, this looks like a sweet setup, to be honest. Actually, I'm gonna send this out right now and take it myself. Hold on, guys, I'm jumping into this trade. Come on. Thing takes forever to. Ooh. guys, when you're taking a trade, like, hang on a second, when you're taking a trade that I'm sending out, don't look at the price. Like, look at the time frame and where the area is at in relation to the candlestick, because what's happening here is there's variation with the price in your broker and your spreads, so you know you have to keep that in mind. Okay. Oh shit, I accidentally yeah, that's it. Oh fuck it. Oh, it's all good. So, should already be in profits. Put my entry price here on 12. Okay. Cool. We're in AJ. Put that up there. Oh, Sniper, I'm back. What's good, bro? You're built different. Appreciate it, man. So we're in AJ. I went ahead and took AJ. Guys, use like half of your normal risk. It's Sunday, okay? Like Sunday, use half normal risk. We'll see how that plays out. Okay. Now that I got that squared away, all right, I sent you guys AJ. I'm still in EJ from last week, which is this setup, and I sent you guys GJ, sent you guys gold, I sent you guys, damn, and look at gold looking flying up. Since you guys USD JPY, I think gold, I'm gonna put an alert right here, crossing up. Yeah. Alright, so I sent you guys a couple charts, still pinning one from last week and activated one right now live with you guys. So hopefully you guys gain some value out of this live, out of this weekly analysis. And if you guys have any questions throughout the week, I'll be in Discord. Send me a message there in the general chat. You know, I'll be trading live this week. Tomorrow, Monday, we trade 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So for the new guys, for any of you new people watching, welcome to Lord Banks FX. Today is just live weekly analysis trade. We did activate one trade here for AUD JPY. And we will be live trading this week, Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. Be sure to join us for that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If you gain any value out of this live analysis, please consider hitting the like button. Also, the Discord link is in my bio. I mean, in the AUDJPY is a sell, bro. I call the sell. Like, I mean, you could buy it if you want, but I call the sell. So, oh, did I send it out as a buy? No way. Shut up. Don't tell me I did that. No, I said sell. Tripping me out, bro. I thought I've done that before, like on my Telegram, where I said the wrong one, but no, it's a sell, guy. Look at the chart, bro. Here's the chart. It says sell. We're going to the downside. We're stopping up here. Here's the target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay. So we'll check back tomorrow, and yeah, we'll just take it from there. I hope you guys learned something, gained some value. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure you hit me up in the Discord. Other than that, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the energy. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Live Trading New York session. Peace.